The Night Circus Erin Morgenstern, a mysterious, magical competition unfolds at a circus only open at night. Stay with us till the very end, because what you are about to discover will completely change the way you think about this topic. Most people miss this crucial information and end up making costly mistakes that they later regret. Erin Morgenstern's The Night Circus is a mesmerizing tale centered around a magical competition between two young illusionists, Celia and Marco, bound by a challenge set by their enigmatic mentors. Set in the late 19th and early 20th centuries, the story unfolds within the enchanting world of Les Cirques des Rêves, a circus that appears without warning and offers wondrous attractions. This haunting contest is not just a battle of skill but a test of endurance and creativity, with the circus itself as the battleground. Celia, the daughter of a renowned illusionist, can manipulate the very fabric of reality, while Marco, an orphan taken under the wing of a mysterious figure, wields magic through meticulous planning and symbols. Their rivalry is complicated by an unexpected romance that blooms amid the tense and wonders, leading them to question the true nature of the competition and its ominous consequences. The book introduces several transformative insights, beginning with the nature of rivalry and cooperation. Although Celia and Marco are pitted against each other, their collaboration in creating new wonders within the circus demonstrates that working together can transcend competitive instincts. This theme challenges the reader to reconsider the value of mutual aid in adversarial circumstances. Another significant insight is the exploration of free will versus destiny. The characters are bound by contracts and obligations, their fates seemingly predetermined by their mentors. Yet, as the story unfolds, they grapple with choices and their potential to alter predestined paths. This tension resonates with the reader's own experiences, prompting reflections on the balance between control and surrender in life. The allure and danger of obsession also threads through the narrative. Both Celia and Marco, along with other circus members, become consumed by their roles and the magic they wield. This obsession, while driving them to great creative heights, also threatens their personal well-being and relationships, illustrating the peril of losing oneself in a single pursuit. One of the book's most memorable moments is the vivid depiction of the circus itself. Morgenstern's rich, sensory prose brings to life the black and white striped tents and the astounding attractions within, such as the ice garden and the cloud maze. These magical experiences invite readers to lose themselves in the wondrous world she has crafted, offering a temporary escape from reality. Erin Morgenstern's background as a multimedia artist is evident in her intricate, imaginative storytelling. Her ability to blend fantasy and romance with a touch of the surreal creates an atmosphere that feels both timeless and otherworldly, drawing readers into a vivid, sensory experience reminiscent of a living painting. In today's world, the night circus matters because it offers an escape into a realm where magic and wonder defy the mundane limitations of daily life. At a time when many seek solace from the pressures of reality, Morgenstern's novel invites readers to rediscover the transformative power of imagination and the beauty of unexpected wonders. The actionable takeaway from this enchanting novel is to embrace creativity and imagination in everyday life. Whether by exploring new artistic pursuits, cultivating curiosity, or allowing oneself to dream without constraints, Morgenstern's tale encourages readers to find magic in the ordinary and to seek out the extraordinary in the world around them. Thanks for watching. Hit like and subscribe for daily update. Turn on notifications to never miss a video. Comment your favorite phrase below and watch the next video for more tips.